Sirocco Marine are your leaders when it comes to inflatable boats with such a wide range of models, and today we are going to take a look at the Air Hull series. The Sirocco Air Hull is the only inflatable boat in Australia with the innovative high pressure inflatable V hull. The Air Hull gives you the performance of a rib while keeping the lightweight and portability of a traditional inflatable boat. There are 3 models in the Air Hull lineup to choose from, starting at the little 220, the 260 behind me here, going right up to the larger 310. And as for the weight of these boats, you are looking at 26 kilograms, 34 kilograms and 36 kilograms respectively. The great thing about the Air Hulls is that there are no loose parts. They are essentially one piece, meaning that when you get to the water, you simply inflate them and off you go. The way that Sirocco formed the hull on these boats is essentially with 2 pieces, creating a V. And what that means for you is that you're going to get a softer ride. The keel section that pulls these 2 parts together also provides you with some protection when pulling up on the beach. The V hull features unique trim tabs at the rear of the boat, and these in combination with the flat end cones on the tubes mean that you will get on the plane quicker than what you would with a traditional inflatable boat. The polymer 1100 grade PVC that these boats are made from is manufactured in Germany. Combine that with the fully welded seams and you are going to get great longevity out of your inflatable boat. The storage bag that comes with the Air Hull series is plenty large enough, meaning that at the end of the day, when you're packing your tender away, you don't need to wrestle with it. These fantastic little boats come with everything that you will need for years of trouble-free boating, including an emergency repair kit, which hopefully you never have to use, an air pump for inflating them, 2 oars, which are 2-piece, meaning that they are easy to pack away, your Rolex, and also a storage bag, and best of all, a storage cover to protect your investment from the harsh Australian sun. On both sides of the transom, you will find splashbacks, and they are perfectly designed, so if you happen to come off the plane a little bit too quickly, that you're not going to get washed up over the back of the boat. The oars have been nicely placed on top of the tubes, meaning that they are out of the way when you're not using them or you're using an outboard. The large diameter tubes on the Air Hull series give you great stability, and combine that with that V hull, you have a stable and smooth ride. The bench seats on the 220 and 260 models have been placed there, making the boats very easy to row. On the larger 310, you have 2 bench seats. You've got one up the front, which is the perfect position if you're rowing, and then you've also got one down the back, which is the perfect position if you're steering with an outboard. If you are using an outboard with any of these boats, you may choose to remove the bench seats entirely, freeing up more space. Inside the larger 310, you will find 4 heavy-duty lifting points, and they are perfect if you are wanting to use this tender to lift out of the water with your davit system. These lightweight Air Hull boats, with their innovative V hull design, are truly something special. So to find out more information about these or any of the other boats in the Sirocco inflatable lineup, visit siroccomarine.com.au.